So his Ford Fusion is still down there. It's all right. So I told him, come to my house, grab my my Johns so that he can tow the car later with his dad. But he's gonna go charge the battery first though at AutoZone, closer to his house, and go from there. He's got my other battery too. So with my battery, it was no noise. Well, it was a little noise. With his battery, I heard more of a starter noise, but the jumper cables were on there, the jumper pack. So like I told him, just get the car to the house so that no tickets, because these guys are gonna try to eat you up for tickets. So that's it. These cars go down, so you got to make sure that you touch your own shit, because if not, the dealership will touch it for $600.